Alright fellas, real quickin' for HJE. I stopped in there the other day, grabbed something, got a little bit of their history, and a sticker. That's what the new HJE stickers look like. They might be old stickers, I don't know, but I got one. And instead of putting that here, it's gonna go on the old toolbox. The only tool purchase I made was these guys right here. They don't look like anything special, but they are, if you can see that, Western Forge Professional. Now all you guys know Western Forge, or should know Western Forge, as the maker of quality tools for other companies, like Craftsman. Not only their acetate handles, you know, like so. You have a WF, Western Forge. Just like this guy, WF, Western Forge. Lots of companies rebrand Western Forge, but there are not very many tools that actually say Western Forge on them, because Western Forge didn't really make tools for themselves. Make tools for everybody else. So I thought that was a very cool little piece of history, so I had to up and grab it. I'll leave a link to HJE's page straight to these guys, so if you feel like going ahead and picking you up a pair, go ahead and pick you up a pair. They're cool. That's it. They're cool. I like cool things. And was perusing and found this. Well, I don't know if they have anymore, but this was the last year that they did an actual paper catalog. So actually it says this will be the last catalog that they will ever print. But I figured I'd go ahead and finger through it here, show you what their old catalog looked like. And I mean, they sell everything online now, so making this catalog was just kind of silly after a certain point, you know. But it looks just like an old catalog. Like you go run into HJE, and it's an old building, you know. Got lots of cool old tools. So you'd expect them to have a cool looking old tool catalog. And they did at one time. But it has, yeah, a lot of their, you know, regular stuff that they had all the time. You know, a lot of the old prices are in here. That'll be kind of interesting to go back through and look at the difference in prices. Because I mean, a lot of this stuff they still have. Like they carry all of this right tool stuff still. There's old Weller soldering gun. Yeah, there's a lot of their old brands that they carry there too. Yeah, I figured I'd go ahead and bust out a quick little video. It's not a very impressive tool haul. It's one pair of dykes, but you know what? These dykes have history to them, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick it up. I've already cut a couple of different things with them. I mean, they work good. Let's go ahead and cut this solder joint out of there. I mean, yeah, money. So, little piece of history, another little piece of history, and a sticker. All great stuff. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.